Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix right-click crashes. File Explorer in Windows. In this video, we'll guide you through various troubleshooting steps, including running SFC and DISM commands, clearing the File Explorer cache, and modifying settings to improve stability. Following these simple steps, you can resolve performance problems and prevent crashes, ensuring a smooth and efficient experience when using File Explorer. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. First solution to update Windows. An outdated Windows operating system may have bugs or compatibility issues that cause File Explorer to crash. By updating your Windows OS, you can ensure that you have the latest patches and fixes for known issues, which may resolve the problem of File Explorer crashing when right-clicking. First, press on the Windows key or Start button. Then click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. Now select Update and Security. Now, if you are on the Windows Update window, click on the Check for Updates tab. Windows will now search for updates. If an update is available, click on Download and Install, and then wait for the update process to finish. Once finished, you can now restart your computer. Once the computer reboots, check to see if the issue still occurs. The next solution to fix this problem is Restart Windows Explorer. Restarting Windows Explorer is another way to fix crashing issues that a corrupt context can cause with your Windows File Explorer. Restarting helps fix this by refreshing the system. To do this, head over to Task Manager by either pressing on Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete keys, or an alternative method is to right-click on the Start button and then selecting Task Manager. Now at the Processes tab, scroll down and locate Windows Explorer. Click on the Windows Explorer process and then select the Restart tab. Check to see if the issue still occurs. However, if the issue still persists, proceed to the next solution. Third solution is to clear Windows File Explorer cache. Cache files are temporary files used by programs and the operating system to enhance task performance. However, an overloaded cache may lead to software conflicts and system crashes. Clearing the cache can address performance issues and prevent crashes. Try to clear Windows File Explorer cache to fix this problem. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. At the Run box, type Control Panel and press Enter. Make sure View By is set to Category. Now click on Appearance and Personalization. Click File Explorer Options. Then make sure you are at the General tab. Now under Privacy, click the Clear tab. Click Apply to apply changes made, and then click OK to confirm. Check to see if issue still occurs. Now the fourth is to execute the DISM command. Executing the DISM, or Deployment Image, Servicing, and Management command help resolve system issues that may be causing File Explorer to crash. After running the DISM command, it is also recommended to run the System File Checker, or SFC command. To do this, type the command prompt at the search bar located at the lower left. Then click Run as Administrator from the drop-down menu for administrative access. Now command prompt window, type the command DISM exe online. Clean up image, scan health, and press Enter. Wait for DISM scan to complete. Next, restart the computer. Once the computer completely reboots, check to see if the issue still occurs. The fifth and last solution is to run the SFC scan. Running an SFC System File Checker scan can help solve the issue of File Explorer crashing when right-clicking in Windows, which can be caused by corrupt or missing system files, and running an SFC scan can restore these files, thus resolving the problem. To do this, type the command prompt at the search bar located at the lower left. Then, click Run as Administrator from the drop-down menu for administrative access. Now command prompt window, type the command SFC scan now and press Enter. Wait for the SFC scan to complete. Next, restart the computer. Once the computer completely reboots, check to see if the issue still occurs. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.